Good evening, class. My name is Mr. C.
Hi,
Today we'll be
Mr.
going
C.
over, hello, sir. Today we'll be going over two-step equations. So I'm going to do the first one by myself, and I'm going to say my steps. Then we're going to do the second one together, and then the last one, you guys are going to tell me what to do all by yourselves. Okay, so for the first step, I'm going to subtract 3 to isolate the A, and then subtract it from this side because it's still an equation, so what we do to one side we have to do to the other. So then you get 4a equals 12, and you have to do the opposite, so this is multiplication, so you divide by 4, and so you get a is equal to 3. Okay? So
I got 6.
how did you get 6?
I don't know.
Well, this checks out, and to verify that, we're gonna plug our answer back into the original equation. So 4 times 3 plus 3 equals correct.
Because 4 times 3 is 12.
Plus
Plus
3 is
3.
15.
Is equal to 15. So this checks out.
Okay, I get what
I
you
understand.
Can we do more space? Like, that's a lot together.
Because now I feel like it's like x over 2 to the 4th power plus 3 equals.
They're just saying some of your writing's a little close together.
Alright, we'll space it out.
No, you don't have to. We can just go to the second one. Can we do it now?
Okay, now we're gonna do this together.
We're gonna do
Okay.
some-
So what should I do for this first part? Yes, Nyla.
You're supposed to subtract the 3
Correct.
from both sides.
Correct.
Okay. And then just like in the other one, we're gonna get 12, right? Because 15
15
minus 3 is
3.
12, right?
Oh, correct. Now, what should I do now? Yes, Braylon.
You
No,
gonna-
actually, Nia, go ahead.
Okay, you said we do the opposite, so I guess if it's a fraction, it's like division, right?
Correct.
So we're gonna times the 2
Correct.
on both sides, right, Nyla?
Yeah.
Okay, and 12 times 2 equals 24.
Exactly.
I knew that one. I knew that
And then
one.
when we plug it back in, we get 24 over 2 plus 3 equals 15, because 24 over 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Now, I want you guys to do this by yourself and tell me what the answer you get.
Okay. I wasn't cheap that time.
Everyone ready? Okay, so what did we get?
24. 24.
Correct. So let's do it together.
24.
So you subtract 2 from both sides,
And
and
then,
these cancel out.
Yeah.
Then you're left with 5x over 8 equals 15. And this is another fraction, but this time we have a numerator on top. So now we multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal is the opposite of the fraction. So you flip the numerator and the denominator. So instead of multiplying by 5/8, you multiply by 8 over 5. So that cancels this out, and then we're going to do it on that side.
skip that step.
So this becomes a 1. This becomes 3. X 3 times 8 equals 24. So x equals 24.
Mr. Teacher, I mean Mr. C. Okay.
That was like 8
so,
steps.
Wait. Okay, so I get it, but I don't get it because in that one, right? We didn't flip it, so
We did flip it, but
we did.
this fraction was 1 over 2. And when it's within an exponent or variable, you don't put the 1, you just put the variable, because 1 times the variable will just be the variable. So the 1 is like imaginary per se. So
Oh,
this is
okay.
technically still 2 over 1. It's just nothing's gonna happen. It's gonna stay the same.
Okay.
Okay?
Can we do another one?
Well, we are running out of time, but I'm gonna teach you this nice little song to remember. These are the steps, and so when you just forget how to do it, just remember the song, and you'll remember everything. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? Snap your fingers.
So you gotta snap on beat.
Combine, multiply, check.
He said
Identify, combine, multiply, check. Identify, combine, multiply, check. Identify, combine, multiply, check. Identify, combine, multiply, check. All right, so you guys got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Great.